Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the vocal pitch in Suno AI. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Suno does not work like a normal audio editor, where you simply click a vocal track and move a pitch slider up or down. In most cases, Suno generates the full song as one mixed audio file. So if you want a higher voice, a deeper voice, or a different vocal range, you usually need to guide Suno before generating the song, remake the track with new vocal instructions, or separate the vocal and edit it in another audio editor. In this tutorial, I'll show you three methods. First, how to control vocal pitch before creating a song. Second, how to change the vocal pitch of a song you already created. And third, how to get more precise pitch control by exporting or separating the vocal. Let's get started. First, open Suno and go to the Create page. Once you are on the Create page, choose the mode where you can enter your own lyrics and style instructions. Depending on your Suno layout, this may be called Custom, Advanced, or simply the full Create editor. Now enter your lyrics in the Lyrics box. Next, go to the Style or Prompt box. This is where we will guide the vocal sound. If you want a deeper vocal, type instructions such as deep male vocal, low register, baritone voice, warm tone, relaxed delivery. You can also write sung in a lower key, low vocal melody, no falsetto, smooth deep voice. If you want a higher vocal, type something like high female vocal, bright pop voice, soprano range, energetic vocal delivery. Or higher vocal melody, light voice, clear high notes, youthful vocal tone. The key is to describe the vocal range clearly. Instead of only typing change pitch, tell Suno exactly what kind of voice you want. For example, if the current voice sounds too high, use words like low register, baritone, deep voice, lower key, or darker vocal tone. If the current voice sounds too low, use words like higher register, bright vocal, soprano, tenor, or higher melody. Now choose the model you want to use, add your title, and click Create. Suno will generate new versions of your song. Listen to both results and compare the vocals. If the voice is still not low enough or high enough, do not stop after the first attempt. Go back to the prompt and make the instructions stronger. For example, instead of writing deep voice, write very deep baritone vocal, sung in a low key, no high notes. Or, for a higher sound, very high female pop vocal, bright soprano tone, strong high chorus. Then generate again. Now let's move to the second method, changing the vocal pitch of a song you already made. Go to your library and find the song you want to change. Click the three-dot menu next to the song. Look for an option such as Reuse Prompt, Remix, Cover, Edit, or Remaster. The exact option you use depends on what is available in your Suno accounts and plan. The easiest method is Reuse Prompt. When you select Reuse Prompt, Suno brings back the same lyrics and style information from the original song. Now you can edit the style prompt and add your new vocal direction. For a lower vocal, add lower vocal pitch, deep voice, baritone singer, sung in a lower key. For a higher vocal, add higher vocal pitch, bright high vocal, soprano or tenor range, sung in a higher key. Then click Create again. This will not directly edit the old audio file. Instead, it creates a new version of the song using your updated vocal instructions. Now let's talk about remaster and cover. If you like the song structure, lyrics, and overall performance, but want a slightly different vocal tone, try Remaster. Choose the song, open the menu, and select Remaster if it is available. Look for the Variation Strength option. A subtle variation keeps the song very close to the original. A normal variation gives you a slightly refreshed version. A high variation can create more noticeable changes, including possible changes to the vocal tone. So if your goal is only a small vocal change, try Remaster with normal or high variation. However, if you want a much deeper or much higher voice, Cover or Reuse Prompt may work better, because Cover is designed for bigger transformations. Now let's move to the third method, Precise vocal pitch control. This method is best if you want to raise or lower the vocal by an exact amount, such as 1 semitone, 2 semitones, or a full octave. For this, you need to separate the vocal from the song. Open your song in Suno and look for the stem separation option. If available on your plan, use stem separation to separate the vocal from the instrumental. Once the vocal stem is created, download it. Now open an audio editor, such as Audacity, BandLab, FL Studio, Logic Pro, Ableton, CapCut, or any editor that supports pitch shifting. Import the vocal stem. Then use the pitch shift tool. To make the voice slightly higher, increase the pitch by 1 or 2 semitones. To make the voice slightly deeper, lower the pitch by 1 or 2 semitones. Be careful not to go too far, because extreme pitch changes can make the vocal sound robotic or unnatural. After adjusting the vocal, export it and mix it back with the instrumental. This method gives you the most control because you are editing the vocal directly, instead of asking Suno to regenerate it. So, to summarize, if you are creating a new song, change the vocal pitch by writing clear vocal instructions in the prompt. If you already created the song, use Reuse Prompt, Remix, Cover, or Remaster to generate a new version with a higher or lower vocal. And if you need exact pitch control, separate the vocal stem and edit it in an external audio editor. Here are some useful prompt examples you can copy. For a deeper voice, deep male vocal, baritone singer, low register, warm tone, sung in a lower key, no falsetto. For a higher voice, bright high female vocal, soprano range, energetic pop tone, higher melody, clear high notes. For a natural lower vocal, smooth low vocal, relaxed delivery, intimate tone, lower melody, natural human voice. For a natural higher vocal, light high vocal, clean tone, emotional delivery, bright chorus, natural high register. And that's how you change vocal pitch in Suno AI. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Suno AI tutorials.